AEON stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Aeon Biopharma stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. It's sitting at $12 and 12% up. So where the heck are we heading next? Before I get into it, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. I've called out thousands of expeditions, and all the proof has been documented on this YouTube channel. So not that big of a fan. It's just like a bearish market, right? Bearish range. Obviously, like, what we're seeing here doesn't mean it's going to be like this forever, but the truth in the reality is that for the most recent price prediction, I mean, I'm not going to change anything. I'm just more so just going to keep it like as it is. There's just a lot of liquidity beneath this low, and it's only going to be something bullish the moment I start seeing full candle closes above 24 cents. Why is that? It's because this is what's holding the price down. And I guess I'd rather repeat successful actions that I've tested over the last 36,000 videos. So if you want to make, this is not financial advice, but if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.